Hello there. Good evening to you. An interesting one. I hope it is interesting for you. It's about Irish nationhood and victimhood ideology. Now, it's a little bit sort of specific, this one, but I've long puzzled over the Irish national consciousness and psyche. As one who myself is part Irish, yet raised in England, I was keen to understand this victimhood narrative. I share my thoughts with you here. I'm going to leave comments open, so please feel free to comment on it. And for those in England, some of what I'm going to say probably is a little bit foreign, but please bear with and do comment if you wish. England colonised Ireland in Norman times, so William the Conqueror conquered England, which was a Saxon kingdom under Harold, and then it conquered Ireland later. It was a brutal and unfair occupation of Ireland. It was England's first overseas colony. The expression beyond the pale of settlement, or beyond the pale, something's beyond the pale, it's beyond acceptability, comes from that era. The Bog Irish, the Catholic who were disbarred from their heritage, grew up with bitter memories of brave Irish lineage when there were Irish rulers and they were predominantly Catholic. Not all, but predominantly Catholic. Then the Elizabeth I, this is, plantations happened, and it made Ulster broadly Protestant. But the rub is that the felt victimhood of colonized subjugation is wallowed in like a pig in mud. And it's just not necessary. I would offer up that point of view. My own background, my mother was actually a Roscommon Catholic. She came from somewhere in a Roscommon area. She was a Farrell. And being raised in Liverpool, actually in a Protestant Brethren background, shaped me. My birth mother put me up for adoption. She was promiscuous, and I was adopted by lovely but a little bit naive missionaries who were working in Liverpool at that time. But why does Ireland wallow in its victimhood mentality? Now, again, for those who know, you will know. Now, I'm going to leave that with you. Do come back at me in the comments. If you like this, give me a thumbs up as a like and subscribe to my channel. And I'm really open to a discussion on this one. Okay, thanks very much, and may God richly bless you.